Gese Olius! Today's episode is about Greece's food, drink, history, places to visit, and other interesting facts. Come explore Greece with me. Greece is a southeastern European country which borders Turkey, Bulgaria, Albania, and North Macedonia. It is 131 square kilometers large and has a population of 10.72 million people. Its capital is Athens, its currency is the euro, and the official language is Greek. Now on to Greek cuisine. Dishes to try include gyro, souvlaki, calamari, pastitsio, and krifraki. And a drink to try would be a frappe. Now to Greece's history. In the next 2,000 years, Greece tolerated a series of conquests that made its people subjects of numerous powers. As a testament to their powerful cultural tradition, adaptability, and resiliency, Hellenes endured and persevered until they emerged in the 19th century through the ashes of the Ottoman Empire to form the modern country of Greece. Now on to places to visit. Places to visit include Parthenon, Acropolis Museum, and Elafonici. And if traveling with kids, places to visit include National Garden, Spinalonga, and Crete Aquarium, Thassalos Kosmos. In conclusion, Greece is a beautiful country with amazing sights and humid weather and is very touristy. I would highly recommend going there. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you until next time. Adios!